Hello astronomers! One of the most common questions we receive is SESTO SENSO 3 compatible with my external focuser? So today I'll show you exactly how to check the compatibility of the SESTO SENSO 3 focusing motor for external focusers using the SkyWatcher Esprit 100 ADX as a practical example. Let's get started! The standard version of SESTO SENSO 3, designed for external focusers, works with Crayford, rack and pinion and similar focusers commonly found on refractors and Newtonian telescopes. The first thing you need to verify is that your focuser has a fine focus mechanism. Without it, SESTO SENSO 3 cannot operate. But if your focuser does have a fine focus knob, let's move on to the next step. The art of compatibility in SESTO SENSO 3 for external focusers is the new self-centering clamp 2. This new mechanical system automatically centers and clamps onto different focuser pinion shaft diameters without any external adapter. SESTO SENSO 3 supports 4 shaft diameters directly: 25, 26, 33 and 37 mm. These cover the vast majority of external focusers available today. So remove the fine and coarse focus knobs and use a caliper to measure the pinion shaft diameter. If it matches one of the 4 supported sizes, SESTO SENSO 3 for external focusers will work with your telescope. Now I insert the red bushing, which is one of the 6 included in the SESTO SENSO 3 box. Then, since the pinion shaft diameter for this telescope is 25 mm, I insert the 25 mm internal adapter into SESTO SENSO 3. This allows me to connect SESTO SENSO 3 directly to the focuser shaft, with no need for external adapter plates. The self-centering clamp 2 engages automatically, perfectly centering the shaft without external adapter plates. For more content that will help you to explore the universe like a pro, subscribe to our channel and clear skies!